So who won?
Marcy.
You had how many, 12 or 11?
I think I had 11 and you had 13.
I wanted to eat an extra one just to make sure. She had 11 Easter eggs and I had 12, and then I thought, well, I could do
And
better
we
than
still
that.
can't eat hard-boiled eggs to this day.
You mean it?
Yes. I ate 13 of those.
Angie and Brandy ate
Oh,
13
what-
each one time
first
too in our house.
Before you quit.
Plus an angel food cake.
I felt really sick.
Jesus
That'd be
Christ.
fun.
13
Anyway, I thought we could do this again today. Let's see who could eat the most.
Gotta recreate the.
Bring it on. I'll take these bad eggs.
Oh.
She's gonna eat the Banny eggs.
Well, what in that movie, Cool Hand Luke? How many did he eat? 60?
50.
I can eat 50 eggs.
Being 50.
He was pretty sick after that. He was not feeling that good.
Oh, come on.
You two are just a couple of beautiful, beautiful girls.
Stop.